guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So today, as you can tell by the title, obviously, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top Amazon picks. I couldn't do a top 5 because I had more than 5, but then I couldn't do a top 10 because I had less than 10. So this is more like a top 8 video of my top picks from Amazon, but whatever. So if you guys are interested to see my top picks from Amazon, then keep watching. So 3 of these items I continuously repurchase from Amazon because I do run out of them, so I do go ahead and repurchase them. So I'm gonna start with those. So first things first, this is like not an interesting, but like a different product, I guess. This is Wheatgrass. This is from the brand Amazing Grass, and this is just regular organic wheatgrass. You're probably like, why are you talking about wheatgrass? And long story short, about a year and a half ago, I had like high cholesterol. Like, this is really weird, but I had like really high cholesterol, like in the high like 250-ishes. So my doctor's like, you need to change your diet, you need to do all these things. So I was like, okay. So I started taking fish oil and doing like those things that he recommended, and I went back to get it checked, and it was still kind of in the high 2s. And I was like, okay, I'm doing everything that you're saying to do. Why isn't anything changing? So I went online and I was like researching like remedies for high cholesterol, and one of the things was wheatgrass, and it hadn't been tested in humans. It was only tested in rats. But there was a study done where it was where it said like rats that were given like a high-fat diet that were also taking wheatgrass or whatever the case was, their cholesterol went down. So I was like, let me try it. Wheatgrass, it's like all natural, it's organic, it's good for you, gives you natural energy, promotes detox, helps alkaline, aids digestion, and supports your immunity. So, and I have heard people talk about wheatgrass before. I'm not saying that like wheatgrass is gonna solve everything, so don't like think that I'm like over here like saying all these things, but this is what worked for me. So I started taking wheatgrass, and then I went back to the doctor's like 3 months later, and my cholesterol had went down below 2, like way below 2, like where it was supposed to be. And he was like, what did you do differently? Like, what did you change? And I was like, I added wheatgrass to my everyday routine. So the serving size is 5 tablets, but I find that when I take 5, I get a little nauseous. So I only do 3 tablets. So that's what works for me. Obviously, if you guys are interested in trying wheatgrass, definitely figure out what works best for you. But yeah, I take 3 because taking 5 really kind of like upsets, not necessarily upsets my stomach, but it makes me feel like nauseous. I purchase this on Amazon every single time because when I originally purchased this, I got it at the vitamin shop and it was like $25. And then I was like, oh, I should have checked Amazon. So when I got home, I checked Amazon, and this is only $16 on Amazon. For the same exact thing that I purchased at the vitamin shop, you get 200 tablets in here. This lasts me about 2 months because I take 3. So yeah, I take it every morning right before I eat my breakfast. I take it with my other vitamins, and yeah. So this is actually empty right now. I think my other one is actually on its way to be delivered because I just ordered it 2 days ago. But yeah, this is for sure my top pick just because it really helps with my health, and I saw a difference in it. And I definitely see a difference in the way that I feel. And I don't want to be sitting here claiming that like, oh, I know like all these tricks and whatever, but I don't get sick as often as I used to. So I used to get strep like last year. I got strep like 2-3 times. And then when I started taking just wheatgrass, everything changed. So I don't get sick as often anymore. Like I will get like a runny nose here and there and like a little bit of a scratchy throat, but not to the extent that I used to about like a year and a half ago. So I definitely need this in my life. And if you guys want to check it out, it doesn't have any side effects, so can't hurt to check it out. Let me know. The next item you guys have heard me talk about a million times on my channel. This is Bioderma. This is Micellar water. This is the only Micellar water that I use. This is the only one that I see that doesn't really irritate my skin, that doesn't do anything weird or make my skin feel tingly or anything. It doesn't break me out or whatever. I have been repurchasing this for like 3.5 years at this point. I just continuously repurchase it. This is, I think, $16 on Amazon. The only thing with this is you can't get it in the United States, I don't believe. At least I haven't seen it being sold anywhere in the United States. So I always go on Amazon and I always just purchase it right off of Amazon, and it works great. It does amazing things. It takes off all my makeup, literally. It's such an amazing staple in my everyday routine. I use it at night, I use it in the morning. I'm always using this, and it doesn't like, you know how some micellar waters will kind of make your skin feel stripped? This does not make your skin feel stripped whatsoever. I never have any issues with it feeling stripped or feeling dry or anything weird like that. So yeah, I have been repurchasing this for years, and if you guys are interested, I'm pretty sure this is like a, yeah, it says paraben free, hypoallergenic, so I'm almost positive this is an all natural micellar water. I'm not 100% sure, but I do believe that it is. But yeah, so if you guys need a micellar water, check this one out. This lasts me so freaking long too. I think I bought this like over a year ago, and I still have all this left. Like this, it doesn't seem like it's a lot, but the way I use it, this is going to last me at least a few more months. So yeah, definitely check this out if you're in the market for a micellar water. So up next, I've talked about this a million times, I feel like, on my channel. This is a staple in my skincare routine. This is the Thayer's Witch Hazel toner. Now, the price on this does fluctuate on Amazon. I've seen it go from like $10 to $11 and to like $9. So it does go up and down from time to time. I'm assuming it's just based on like the demand of it. But yeah, this is an all-natural toner. I love, love, love this toner. It's kind of like the micellar water where it doesn't make your skin feel stripped, and it kind of just leaves your skin feeling hydrated and whatnot. I repurchase this all the time off Amazon. You can get it at like Target or Ulta or somewhere like that, but I believe it's like $12 or $13 there. And on Amazon, it's usually, I think the highest I've ever seen it is $11. And then, like I said, sometimes you can get it cheaper on Amazon as well. So I love this toner. It's so freaking amazing. It is literally the only toner that I use. I do have I don't see it, but I do have a toner from, I think it's, what is it? Oh, Lush. I have a toner from Lush, and honestly, I hate that toner. I literally hate that toner because it makes my skin feel so stripped. Like, I feel like I just took all the moisture out of my skin and there's nothing like left. I feel like I really sucked all the life out of my skin. So this one does not do that to me. I love this one. I have been purchasing it off Amazon for quite some time now. So if you're in the market for a good toner, or you just want to save some money on this toner, check it out on Amazon. I will have most of these products listed below as long as I can find them on Amazon. I will for sure list them all down below for you guys. You guys can just click that link. But moving on, this is like really dirty, and don't judge me for it, but yeah, this has just been sitting on my vanity for like ever. I use this thing every single day. You guys are probably like, what the heck is that? I put my curling wand on this. So when my curling wand is heating up and when I'm like putting it down and whatever, and it's on, I will just rest it on here because this, I think this can handle up to like 500 degrees or something like that, and it was like $6 on Amazon, and I just leave it on my vanity. As you can see, it has like shimmer and highlight and everything all over it. I tried cleaning it, but there's just like no use for it to try to clean it because it doesn't come clean. But yeah, I just leave my curling wand on this, or my straightener, or whatever I'm using at that day, whatever the case is. I will just lay it on here, and it hasn't melted, hasn't done anything. I purchased this because I used to just throw my wand on the floor like an idiot, and then one day it like tipped and it made like a big burn mark in the floor, and I was like, oh no, that's not good. So I went ahead and I purchased this just so I can leave it on my vanity and I don't have to constantly keep putting it on the floor. So yeah, this was, like I said, $6. This is a lifesaver. I keep my curling wand on 450 sometimes, and I just rest it on here, and I've never seen it melt or like do anything weird or anything. So yeah, this thing can definitely withstand a lot of heat. Alright, so up next is more of a recent purchase from Amazon. I did just talk about this in my favorites video. This is this little, oh, there's like a fuzz stuck to it. This is this little fan, and I use this fan to like dry my face when I'm done with like setting my makeup and stuff, and I have like wet setting spray on my face. Oh my god, everything's like blowing everywhere right now. I will use this to go ahead and just dry my face so that it doesn't leave any like dots or anything, and my skin can dry quicker with the setting spray. What I noticed just now when I was drying my face, like right before I started filming this video, I haven't charged this since I bought it, and I use this every single day. So when I bought this like 2 months ago, and I charged it when I first got it, I haven't charged it since. And I just literally realized that. I was like, wow, I haven't charged this since I bought it. So yeah, this is an amazing fan. I love it. It has 2 speeds. It has this one, and then this is the fastest one, and I just literally just go over my face. And I'll also use this if I get like highlight or powder in my hair. I'll kind of just go in my hair like this, so it blows it all out of my hair, so I don't have to worry about having a bunch of sparkles and powder all in my hair. So yeah, if you were in the market for a fan, check this one out. This was like $9 on Amazon. I think it comes in blue and like a pink. I'm not exactly sure, but I did pick it up in blue just because whatever. I was like, I'm feeling blue today, so I picked it up. But yeah, I love this. My best friend, when she visited me last month, I almost said last year, last month, she was like, oh my god, I need to purchase it, and she like went on Amazon and purchased it right away because it's that freaking good. And it's good even if you're not setting your makeup. If you just need, if you're like in Disney or you're walking around and it's hot and you need like a fan to like cool you off, this will do the job for sure. I want to talk about these guys quickly. These are little acrylic barrettes. I picked these up over the summer. Let me put one in my hair right now. I picked these up over the summer. I forgot who I saw talking about them, but I had been wanting them for a while. So I went on Amazon and I just typed in acrylic barrettes and I got like a pack of like 20 for like 15 bucks or something insane like that. I'll link it down below for you guys. But these are such good barrettes. Like you would think since they were so affordable and like inexpensive that they would be cheap. No, these are really high quality. Like this part is really sturdy. It's really good. I really genuinely love these things. I don't use them every day in my hair because they are pretty big and they don't go with every single outfit that I wear. And sometimes I'm just not feeling a clip, but I use these all the time to like pin my hair back when I'm doing my makeup or to pin my hair up when I get in the shower and I don't want to wash my hair. I will use these for that. So yeah, I really do love these. They come in this shape and then they come in this shape. So when you purchase them, you'll get one in this shape, in this color, and then you'll get one in this shape in the same color. So it's cool. I really do love these. Like I said, they are high quality. And they're just so frigging cute. Like look at how adorable they are. They're really, I don't know, why isn't it focusing? There you go. It's really so frigging cute. I love them. I love them so much, and I use them literally every single day. They are in my everyday routine no matter what I'm doing. So yeah, I definitely recommend these if you're somebody that's looking for barrettes, or if you have like a little girl and you want to start putting clips in her hair. These are amazing and they're super affordable and super high quality. Alright, so up next is just kind of like a basic item. This is my little vlogging tripod that I use when I want to like vlog and hold my camera. I love this little guy. It's super sturdy. Like I'll put it down and it's like really sturdy. I love that it has like a little bit of a grip right there so you can hold the camera and whatever. The only thing I wish it did was I wish I was able to adjust the height from time to time because sometimes I want my camera to be higher, but this you can't adjust the height. But this was like $9 on Amazon, and that's insane because if you go to Best Buy and you want to get like a tripod like this, it's like $20. I was just in Best Buy the other day and I was looking at them and I was like, what the hell? This is like super freaking expensive for no reason when I got my tripod for like $9 on Amazon, and it's freaking amazing. It's such high quality, like it's really sturdy. Like I've been really rough with this thing and it's lasted. I've had it for about 2 years and yeah, I have no complaints about it. I love it. It's such an amazing tripod. Definitely worth the $9. And even if it wasn't high quality, I mean for $9 you can just replace it in a few months if need be. But yeah, so if you are a vlogger and you are looking for a tripod, or you're just somebody that likes to take pictures and you need a little tripod, check this one out. The last thing that I want to talk about, I did just speak about in my favorites video, I believe. I'm pretty sure it was my favorites video. This is my amethyst crystal roller. It comes with the roller and then it comes with this little thing. I don't really know what this second part, oh, it's called the scraping tool. So I was actually in Sephora yesterday with my friend and they had one of these little jade rollers, like pretty much the exact same frigging thing for $20, and all you got with it was the jade roller. I paid $16 for this and I got the jade roller and I got the little scraping tool right here. I love these two tools. I love them so much. I use them every single night. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and put my creams on and everything, and then I'll use this and just move this upward on my face and then on my neck to kind of get the blood flowing. And then with this, I will just go like this and kind of just pull my skin back, because you want to pull your skin up and back and you don't want to pull it down. So you don't want to use it like this because that's just going to pull your skin down. You want to make sure you're pulling it up because that's what's going to keep your skin nice and tight and whatnot. So yeah, I love this thing so much, and I love that they stay so cool. Like they're really actually cool right now, and they've been sitting in this packaging. I haven't like bought something to put them in yet, but I just leave them in here. And yeah, they work amazing. I love how they make my skin feel, and as you're rolling on your skin, you can see the blood flow because your skin will get a little bit pink and red, but that's good because that means that's blood flowing to your face. And when I first started using this and I would go along my chin, I would have a bunch of bumps. And I was like, what is that? So I looked it up, and it's calcium deposits that are like in like your jaw. And now when I go across it, I'm not going to do it right now because I have makeup on, but when I go across it now, I have no bumps, no nothing, and my skin just, I've definitely seen an improvement in my skin. It just looks brighter and it looks a little more firmer. Maybe the firming part is in my head, but yeah, I do love these two things. And for $16, seriously, when Sephora has just the jade roller for freaking $20, like, hello, might as well buy this on Amazon. Guys, so that is the end of this video. These are all my top picks from Amazon. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I will have these listed down below if you guys are interested in picking them up for yourselves, or if you guys are interested in getting them for somebody as a gift for Christmas, since Christmas is right around the corner. It's like a month away, I think. What's today's date? Yeah, it's like literally a month and 3 days away. So yes, these are all my top Amazon picks that I wanted to share with you guys. These are products and things that I use every single day of my life. The only thing I don't use every day is the tripod, but everything else I literally use every single day, and they have made such a difference in my life, and I love, 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 love all these products, and I swear by all of them. So yeah, so let me know down below what your recommendations are from Amazon and what you guys love from Amazon that I can incorporate in my everyday routine. And yeah, so as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like I said, these all will be linked down below for you guys. And yeah, so as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye!